Welcome back to the tense series. This is Chapter 5. Today we learn the present perfect continuous tense. Alex sat down to study in the morning. It is now afternoon, and he is still studying. He started at 9 in the morning. It is now 2 in the afternoon. He has been studying for 5 hours. His friend asks, "How long have you been studying?" Alex says, "I have been studying for 5 hours.
When something started in the past and is still continuing right now, we use the present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous is used when something started in the past and is still going on. The focus is always on how long. The formula is subject, then has or have, then been, then verb plus ing. Remember, been is always in the middle. Two important words, for and since. For tells us the duration for 2 hours, for a week. Since tells us the start point, since morning, since Monday. He has been running for 1 hour. Has been running, started in past, still going now. For 1 hour tells us the duration. She has been painting since morning. Has been painting, started in past, still going now. Since morning tells us when it started. They have not been sleeping well. For negatives, add not after have or has. Have not been sleeping. The action did not continue properly. How long have you been waiting? For questions, put have or has at the start. How long have you been? Asking about duration. Quick quiz. Fill in the blank. Been, reading since noon. Is it have, has, or had? Think carefully. The answer is A, have. I always use have, never has. I have been reading since noon. Well done. Quick comparison. I have read the book. Present perfect. Action is completed. I have been reading. Present perfect continuous. Still reading right now. Let's recap. Started in the past. Still going now. Has or have, then been, then verb plus ing. Always remember for and since. Next in this series, simple past tense. We use it for actions that are fully finished. A very important tense coming up next. If this helped you, give it a like. Subscribe so you never miss a chapter. Comment your quiz answer below. I will check it.